Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video here to say that I moved my air conditioning unit in the process of building my deck out here, getting it built. I took, and let me flip the camera, this messed up chunk of clay and dirt is where the air conditioner pad was sitting, and I moved it around the corner and it's sitting over here closer to the house. And look at that 1990s AC condenser unit right here that's still working just fine. It has a little bit of hard start that I'm gonna sit there and mess with, but I wanted to show you that just using these scrap pieces of wood, this 4x4, and this piece of 2-inch PVC pipe, I was able, and the shovel I had that is leaned up over there, I was able to take and move that pad around there without injuring myself or even breaking the shovel handle. I'm really surprised about that. But yeah, I was just able to take it and take the scrap pieces of wood, and I would wedge them underneath. I would wedge a piece underneath the shovel and would take it and lift it up. But whenever you would pry on it with the shovel, I would get down as close to the shovel head as possible. Or you could use a crowbar or a pry bar or something, a big long steel pole, and I would take it and I would pry one edge of the concrete pad up, and once I would get it high enough, I would take it and wedge that 4x4 post under there, and then go do the same thing to the other corner on the same side. And as I got that corner lifted up, I would take and I would shove the PVC pipe underneath the concrete pad, and then you could take the shovel or the post, either one, and take it and wedge it forward and push the pad. And it was a gradual process. It took a couple hours to get it done, but it was, for a little bit of hard work and labor, it saved probably a couple $100 on pouring a new concrete pad, or even buying one of those preformed concrete pads. So yeah, if you have the willingness and the ingenuity, I mean, and you want to move your AC unit for whatever reason, or anything else you want to do around your house, it doesn't always have to be a certain proper way of doing something like everyone on the internet wants to tell you it has to be. People in the construction industry always tell you, there's a specific proper way of doing every little thing. And for some things there are. For building this deck over here, I'm doing everything, proper and right, because I want it to be done right. But when it comes to sliding a concrete pad across my dirt yard, I'm not really concerned about following any rules and guidelines on the way that it needs to be handled. I'm gonna take it. I wanted to move the pad, and I moved the pad. That's all there was to it, whatever way that it took. So just wanted to let y'all know that if there's something around your house, that if you're not afraid to do it, to just go for it. I mean, if you have an idea on a way that you think something could be done, try it. Uh, as long as you don't, destroy something around your house. If As long as you're okay, not with the possibility of messing something up, you just go ahead and go for it. So, God bless. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.